Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect another OnlyFans account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in onlyfans.com. Once you do that, go ahead, give the credentials to your OnlyFans account, then sign in. Now, on the bottom right corner of your screen, you're gonna find your user icon. Tap on it. Then navigate your way to settings. Once you go to settings, you're gonna have to select account, and under account, you're gonna see categories like account info, linked accounts, connected accounts, etc. Under connected accounts, you're gonna find connect another OnlyFans account. Tap on it, then select disconnect. Once you do that, you successfully disconnected another OnlyFans account with your OnlyFans account. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.